Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking the image is actually loaded. If you can see it, the URL exists. Open Developer Tools now, press F12 or right-click and choose Inspect, then focus on elements first. Once done, hover the cursor over the img tag to preview its source, and if the tag is absent, switch to Network and reload the page to capture assets. Make sure to filter for images so you don't waste time on scripts or styles. You now pinpoint the source. In Elements, inspect the img tag for src or src set attributes. In CSS, check background image properties, which often contain URL. If that fails, use Network, filter by img, then reload and click the expected asset to view headers and preview. Once visible, right-click the resource or use the context menu to copy the full URL. Remember, src set can contain multiple. You finish by opening the copied URL in a new tab to verify access and file type. This confirms you have the actual image link. If you see an error or get blocked, check for CORS headers, required authentication, or hotlink protection. These are common blockers. If the URL is obfuscated by JavaScript, try disabling JS, use the browser cache, or save the image and inspect the saved file's metadata. Make sure to retry after each change to confirm success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.